In this video, I will share with you a tool that will make it easier for you to decide whether to open a trade now or not. This tool shows itself perfectly in combination with BoosterBot. But before that, in case you didn't know, there is an elite membership in the BoosterBot team. And right now you can see a trading session where the guys made about $3,000. If you want to earn the same way, get useful news and trade together with our community news, then write to the support account, "I want to become an elite member," and the guys will add you to our elite membership. And in order to decide whether to open a trade or not, we will need the RSI indicator. To do that, you go into indicators and add RSI. This indicator shows itself perfectly on these settings. Click save and how we will work on it. If the price will be in the working range, which means that the indicator values should be from 70 to 30, then we open a deal to go up or down. But if the indicator values are above 70 and below 30, then we do not open a deal and go to the next currency pair. As you can see now, almost all pairs are calm and you can trade everywhere. Since the RSI is in the working range, it means that the market is stable now, and I suggest opening a trade on the Australian Canadian dollar. I choose this currency pair. Time for the trade, 1 minute. And I get a buy signal. I immediately open my buy trade. A great deal brings me $920, and as long as the RSI indicators are in the working range, from 70 to 30 can be safely to trade. But if it goes out of that range, then it warns that the market is not stable and it's a good time to make a mistake. British pound dollar, I choose this currency pair. I will also open a deal for 1 minute. And I get a sell signal. Right from here I open my sell trade. The RSI indicator is in the middle zone, which shows that the market is very stable now and BoosterBot can show its maximum efficiency. A great trade brings me $790. I change my currency pair. Now I will choose the Euro Swiss franc. I get a sell signal. And as you can see, the RSI is in the upper zone, so I'm not going to open my trade now. If the RSI values were lower in the middle zone, then I would open my down trade. But then the indicator is too high, so I am not sure about this trade and I will skip it. But I can be confident in the Euro Australian dollar. I get a sell signal, I open my sell trade, and as you can see, the RSI indicator value is in the middle zone, which means a potentially safe trade with BoosterBot. Unfortunately, this deal closes in a minus. A little I lacked volatility in the market, but I am not upset, and the next deal for $1,500 will cover this minus. We need to find a currency pair on which the RSI will be in the middle. Euro dollar, as you can see, is very dangerous to be on top, so I do not like this currency pair, but the British pound Japanese yen looks relatively safe. I get a sell signal and I open a sell trade right from here. And that trade brings me $1,300, so I cover my losses. As you can see, this is a safe enough trade, and the closer to the middle is the RSI value, the more confident BoosterBot signals will be. For example, again, Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I get a buy signal, the price is in the middle value, and I open my buy trade. A great trade brings me another $1,300, and as you can see by this method, you can trade very safely. Yes, I had only one minus, but with BoosterBot, these minuses are easily overlapped. You just need to increase by 10 or 20% your amount per trade and thus cover your minus. The statistics in BoosterBot, if you do not have any knowledge, will be 80%, and if you add at least one tool, you can increase it to 90%. And if you want even more earnings, then our elite membership is available to you. Write to the support account that you want to join our membership and receive signals and information that you can earn from. All useful links will be waiting for you in the description. I remind you that BoosterBot is absolutely free, and there is also a link to it in the description and in the attached comment. That's all for today. See you soon.